Just make weird noises. Make weird noises and cluck your head. Woo! Woo! Wow. Wow. My wheel turns. Stupid.
It's my life in the box in front of me. Taking chalk in my arms is the soul of me. You walk by, ask to see me lay face here. And find the thorns in your eye.
Whoa! Whoa! It's crazy, man. It's crazy. It's strange that the red light might mean something. Something. Why did I say something? Ugh. Get off the fucking road! Oh shit! We've got a race! We've got a race on our hands! We've got a race on our hands! Let's see how this fucking thing holds up, huh? Come on! Ugh. Focus. This is like that film where the guy's racing. Oh, there's police right there. Fuck it, we're gonna do it anyway. Stupid girl, stupid girl. Okay, that's gonna suck. Oh, I cannot get on that. You are fucking brave. That cyclist is fucking brave. Oh man, I'm still filtering. I'm still filtering. I do predict I may fall off, but if it does happen, it won't be on the main roads like we're on now, because it's the side roads that are a nightmare. The cyclists, like, nobody gives praise to these cyclists. They're fucking... Normally I'm blitzing down this road here. Not today. I'll just tell you now, you might see me doing this and feel inspired, but don't fucking do it. It is so miserable.